Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best drift ghost action camera you can buy in 2026, perfect for capturing your adventures, rides, and vlogs with crisp 4K footage. We'll break down features, pros and cons, and what makes this camera worth considering, so let's jump in. Starting at number 1. Drift Ghost XL Pro Sport Action Camera. The Drift Ghost XL Pro Sport Action Camera is a rugged and versatile device designed for capturing high-quality footage during sports and outdoor activities. It records in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring clear and detailed video for vlogging, action shots, and professional use. Built with Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows easy sharing, live streaming, and remote control through compatible devices. The camera features an IPX7 waterproof rating, making it resistant to water exposure and suitable for use in various weather conditions. Its wearable design makes it ideal for mounting on helmets, motorcycles, or bicycles, providing stable, hands-free recording. Compact and durable, the Ghost XL Pro is a reliable companion for adventurers, athletes, and content creators looking to capture their experiences on the go. Number 2. Drift Ghost XL Pro Sport Action. The Drift Ghost XL Pro Sport Action Camera is a durable and high-performance action camera designed for capturing smooth, high-quality footage during sports and outdoor adventures. It records in up to 4K resolution, delivering sharp and detailed videos suitable for vlogging, recording rides, and documenting activities. With built-in Wi-Fi, it allows easy connectivity for sharing content, controlling settings remotely, and streaming when needed. Its rugged design and IPX7 water resistance make it suitable for use in challenging weather conditions, while its wearable and mountable form factor makes it ideal for helmets, motorcycles, and bicycles. Compact and reliable, the Ghost XL Pro is a great choice for users who want a versatile and portable camera for capturing action on the go. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo is a powerful and advanced waterproof action camera designed for capturing high-quality footage in any environment. It features a large 1/1.3-inch sensor that delivers excellent image clarity and low-light performance, along with the ability to record stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second for smooth and detailed motion. With advanced subject tracking and stabilization technology, it ensures steady and well-focused shots even during fast-paced sports and action. The camera is equipped with dual OLED touchscreens, making it easy to frame shots and control settings from both the front and back, which is especially useful for vlogging. Built to be durable and waterproof, it is ideal for outdoor adventures, sports activities, and travel, making it a reliable companion for content creators and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo is a high-performance waterproof action camera designed for capturing smooth and detailed footage in a variety of environments. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor that delivers impressive image quality, especially in low-light conditions, ensuring clear and vibrant visuals even in challenging lighting. With support for 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, it provides ultra-smooth motion capture ideal for sports, travel, and adventure recording. The camera also supports 10-bit and D-Log-M color modes, giving users greater flexibility in color grading and post-production. Built for endurance, it offers up to 160 minutes of battery life, allowing for extended recording sessions without interruption. Durable and waterproof, the Osmo Action 4 is well suited for outdoor use, making it a reliable choice for vloggers, athletes, and content creators. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo is an advanced action camera designed for high-quality outdoor filming and professional-grade content creation. It features a large 1/1.1-inch square sensor that captures sharp, detailed images with excellent clarity and dynamic range. With a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, it allows for better control over lighting and depth of field, adapting easily to different shooting conditions. The camera supports ultra-high-resolution 8K video recording, delivering incredibly detailed footage for creators who want the best possible quality. It comes with an extended battery setup, including 2 batteries, ensuring longer recording times for extended shoots and adventures. Built for durability and performance, the Osmo Action 6 is an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and professionals who need a reliable and powerful action camera. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below. Go check them out and grab the best Drift Ghost camera for your setup. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more gear reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.